Hey guys, how are you? Uncle Dan here again. We're talking about the difference between soft sales skills and hard sales skills. Okay, look, we're not going to talk about the hard sales skills right now because that's like things like product knowledge. You have to know what your products are, and I'm not going to teach about that. That's not my job here. Okay, what I want to do is talk about soft sales skills. I want to talk about building trust, building credibility, making eye contact with the customer, walking in with your chest out, you prepared, ready to go, offering your hand. And what the game here is really ultimately is to create a wow effect over there. When you communicate, which we talk about all the time, you bring your energy, you bring your mood, you bring your eye contact, you bring your body language, you bring it all to bear, and the game is to make a wow effect over there with that customer and to create an opening. See, in sales, in life, in business, if you can't create an opening for the other person, you're going to have a hard time selling anything. The first move is to create an opening, and that's what soft sales skills are all about. And that's why you need to stay involved, keep coming to the Power Sales Training on Mondays and Wednesdays, and come in, and we work on this, we practice. That's why I call it Power Sales Training, because powerful people, powerful salespeople are able to create openings like that when they want to, and that's the game. Right? It has nothing to do with the data and the products and the features and benefits of the product itself. That has nothing to do with it. It has to do with who you're being. It has to do with the type of commitments you make. It has to do if you're building trust and credibility quickly with that person. That's the game. Okay, so check us out on molloysales.com, and we'll see you soon in Power Sales Training.